This fight is a fight that people who know boxing, people who understand boxing, realize will be a fight for the ages. The pride of boxing, the WBC super featherweight champion of the world, Manny Pac-Man Pacquiao.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you, Bob, and to my trainer, Freddie Rhodes, and to Governor Piñol. Good afternoon, and to his company. Good afternoon, and to my opponent, David Diaz Camp. Good afternoon, and to all of you. Good afternoon. And what I can see, this fight is gonna be a great fight because the style of Diaz is very accurate to my style, and I know he do his best to win this fight, and I tried my best to win this fight too, and it's gonna be a great fight because David Diaz is underdog on our fight on June 28th, but I know he's hoping to win this fight, and what I can see is it's gonna be more action than the Marquez fight and Morales fight. Because Diaz, his style is very, his fighter is he's a good fighter, and he want to fight toe to toe, and that's what I want, to fight toe to toe, and I hope the people love boxing. They're going to support me, to support us on the good fight this coming June 28th, and please watch or buy a pay-per-view if you if you can't come to Mandalay Bay. Just watch on television and pay pay-per-view, and I promise to all my fans, especially the Filipino people, that I will do my best to get this belt, WBC, for the honor of our country, and I need to win this fight because I think I'm the first Filipino or first Asian fighter to get four championship belt in different divisions. So please watch, and thank you to HBO and Top Rank Promotion for giving me this opportunity, and to all the help that he share on my boxing career, and to my family, thank you. To the Filipino people, thank you to all their support, and have a good day.
We're going to do a press conference. I'm proud to introduce you from Chicago, Illinois, the lightweight champion of the world, David Diaz.
Hello. First of all, I'd like to thank God for getting me this far in my career so far. I want to thank Bob Arum, Top Rank, everybody who supported me. A lot of people don't know that I stopped boxing for a while, and my promotion company at the time was Top Rank, and I didn't fulfill what I was supposed to do as a fighter. So I left the sport for about 2 years, and then getting back into it, it was kind of rough, starting from the bottom again, and I learned to appreciate what I had lost. Fortunate enough for me, Bob Arum still took me in, you know, like a kid who runs away from home. He was there, and he said, "Yeah, come on back home, and we'll work together again." And thank God we became champions, a champion actually. and hold the title now. My fight with Manny Pacquiao is the biggest fight of my career. This is the toughest fight of my career. It's a fight that every fighter should want to have, and every fighter needs, so he can prove himself that he belongs to be with the best. And Manny Pacquiao is one of the best fighters pound for pound right now. So to step into the ring with him it's also an honor, and it's a test for me to prove to myself, because I know a lot of writers out there don't really believe in me. So I know I have to believe in myself in order to be victorious. And if I do that, train hard and do the right things, and everything will come out good June 28th. I want to thank Manny and tell him thank you for accepting the fight. And he was right. Our styles are similar, and we're going to go at it. Either one of us isn't going to back off. So it's going to be a lot of fireworks. Actually, it's before July 4th, so you guys are going to get a little demonstration of what July 4th is going to be like on June 28th. So we're going to have fun, have a great fight, and have nothing but the most respect for him and Freddie Roach as well. But we plan on keeping the WBC lightweight champion. So I'm sorry to tell you guys that, man. Especially to the Filipino people, I'm sorry. I just can't allow that. I mean, that's just in me. I don't want to lose. I'm praying that I don't lose. I'm gonna work out so I don't lose. I'm gonna run, eat, train, and think about Manny Pacquiao from now on. Promise. So we can have a good fight, and it's just gonna be fun. It's gonna be a great fight. I have nothing but respect for everybody. So I'm gonna follow a little bit of Manny's lead. Make sure you guys buy the pay-per-view and the TV and all that good stuff, right? So you get it all in there, you know. You guys are gonna have fun. Everybody's gonna have fun, enjoy the fight, and like I think Bob said, you know, this is a fight that I hope, at least for me, that people talk about it way after it's done. 2-3 years down the line, they're gonna be like, man, Pacquiao Diaz was great. So was 2 and 3 and 4 and 5.